A Delaware County youth football team is finally seeing the light.
The Colwyn Comets have been practicing in the dark because they said the Borough wouldn't turn the lights on.
Their practice was well lit tonight, but as Eyewitness News reporter Alexandria Hoff explains, the team still faces a few obstacles.
Wednesday night lights. Now, this looks like a typical youth football practice, and for most teams it would be, but not for the Colwyn Comets. In fact, it is a far cry from what they're used to.
To the right, let's go.
To these small players, practicing under the big lights is a thrill like few others could know.
Go, good job, good job.
According to Terrell Reed, head coach for the Colwyn Comets, the youth football team has been forced to practice in the dark for months after the Borough of Colwyn changed the locks on the field house, preventing access to the switch, something Coach Reed says is a breach of their lease. Eyewitness News captured the creativity that parents have been using to keep the field illuminated.
20, 30 cars out here lined up, providing the light for the kids for the last half hour, 40 minutes of the practice.
But on this evening, car batteries have been spared and lights shown. They were turned on less than an hour after our cameras went for answers from the Borough.
You can tell everyone that you're invited to the public meeting, and at that time we'll give public statements.
For now, these young players have a safe place to practice.
Kids it doesn't bother them. They just want to play football. So for parents, it makes us upset.
Though parents are not confident that this visibility will last.
Do you trust that the lights are going to stay on?
No.
Their next issue to tackle, without access to the field house, the team has no means to store equipment or raise money through concessions.
Because now we're all coming out of our pockets personally, taking away from our families and supporting our homes, to provide for these kids down here.
The Borough says they will address this issue in their Thursday evening meeting. That is open to the public. The Comets practice Tuesday through Friday evenings. Reporting in Delaware County, Alexandria Hoff, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.